Can we turn off the event and restart at a later time just in case of emergency, right? So let's say you're in South Texas and there's flooding, like that happened several times. We actually had this happen a couple times during our events. The dealership got flooded, so instead of running Facebook ads, we just cut them off, and then whenever the dealership was all cleared up and cleaned out, they had credit, and we go ahead and cut them back on, and they were able to sell cars. The wild thing about that is when there's emergency like that and there's flooding and all that, then a lot of cars get totaled. So what'll happen is all those people who had cars that got totaled were now in the market for a vehicle. We were running a certain type of ad, and then we changed up the ad copy and creative to dictate, hey, did you lose your car in a flood? And then we're able to go ahead and target those people immediately, right? That's one thing you can't do if you're doing direct mail. You send out a bunch of mail, and then, you know, hurricane comes through, snowstorm, blizzard, whatever, and then the mail doesn't go out, or people don't want to leave their house, or whatever it is, right? Maybe you've got a team on, a team on the ground. You got people that came in to help manage the event or staff the event, and ultimately you get, a lot of no-shows. The one thing that's really good about Facebook is when that happens, we have control over when we serve the ads, how much money we'll want to put, and who we target. So. Hope that answers that question.